Clauses under Errors and Omissions Insurance Policy page. Welcome. Today we are exploring some key clauses under an Errors and Omissions Insurance Policy. These clauses ensure that you, as a professional service provider, are well covered against potential claims of negligence or errors. Let's dive into the essential clauses and what they mean for you. Retroactive date clause. First up is the retroactive date clause. This clause ensures that claims made for incidents that occurred before the policy was purchased are still covered, provided they happen after the retroactive date mentioned in your policy. This is important because it means your past work is protected as long as the incident falls within this specified period. Territory clause. Next, we have the territory clause. This clause specifies where the insurance coverage applies. For example, some policies may cover claims worldwide, while others are limited to specific regions. If your business has international clients, ensure that your policy includes global coverage. Extended reporting period clause. The extended reporting period or ERP clause allows claims to be reported even after the policy has expired, as long as the incident happened during the policy's active period. This is crucial for businesses that may experience delayed claims for their services or products. Exclusions clause. Then there's the exclusions clause, which details what isn't covered under the policy. Common exclusions include fraudulent activities, criminal acts, and intentional misconduct. It's important to read this section carefully to understand where your coverage might fall short. Coverage trigger clause. The coverage trigger clause determines when a claim is considered valid. There are two main types: claims made and occurrence based. A claims made policy covers incidents reported during the policy period, regardless of when they happened. An occurrence based policy covers claims for incidents that happened during the policy, even if reported later. Subrogation clause. Lastly, the subrogation clause allows your insurer to recover the amount paid in a claim from third parties responsible for the loss. This helps to keep your premiums lower while ensuring you get the compensation you deserve. In summary, understanding these clauses in your E&O insurance policy is crucial for ensuring your business is well protected. Take the time to go over each clause and consult with your insurer to tailor the coverage to your specific needs. With the right policy, you can focus on delivering quality services without worrying about potential liabilities.